So today I need to have a complaint to the sellers out there, the eBay sellers. eBay buyer has scammed me once again, and sadly they've got away with it. We have lost the money on purchasing the battery. We've lost the money on turning the customer the money. We've lost the money on the postage and of course the listing cost for a member staff to go ahead and do so. So the overall cost of the loss, even though the product cost me about £60 to purchase, I am now probably out about £150 in costs and losses because of the scam. Let's talk about it. Customer bought this Milwaukee battery and then sent it back immediately saying they can't charge it. This is what's something I find a bit weird with a brand new one. So the brand new one, normally we don't get any problems with. I've never heard of any brand new Milwaukee battery ever give any problems. So I checked it and it had a full bar. There's a full bar on it. It only stays on for a certain period, but it's a full bar. That concerned me because I went and looked at it, and a member of staff sadly went ahead and refunded and trusted the customer with their word. That was wrong. That's the cost in it, because we normally just process the return because we have to, and we trust what the customer's saying. Now I'm having to realign my staff to never trust what a customer says. Why? So on the bottom, it still had a warranty sticker. There's the warranty sticker there. We put them on every battery, but the customer was smart, because if they scraped that off, we would know that it's been a swap out. However, customer's a little smart. What they done, there's 4 screws in here and 4 screws in here, or 2 screws there each side, 4 screws in total. And what the customer did was they took off this bottom part and replaced the guts, which were faulty, with our brand new ones. So they took their my brand new guts and replaced it with their faulty guts. How do I know this? Well, if you look at the bottom is near new, but the top is heavily scraped and used. There's scrapes and used. And I thought that's strange for a brand new battery just being bought and sold very quickly. They done one thing else. What they done was, on the bottom of the battery, they scraped out the serial code. And that allowed us, or didn't allow us, to check it. The code that is on this, the serial number that's on the back of the box, does not align with that either. So what the customer's done is done a very wise swap out, got through the situation, got through the returns process, and a member of staff trusted them because all they did was look at the warranty sticker, and that was good enough for them to go ahead and process the refund. Now, this is a problem with eBay, because majority of the times people will side, or the eBay will side with the buyer. I had one scammer recently. What they done was they sent me a big birthday box, empty, with a refund slip inside or a return slip inside and nothing in it. And when I complained to eBay about this, eBay then said, well, the customer did say send it back and we've got record of the box coming back. So what they done was I had to pay for the label to send a big gift box back to me, just a little bit more of an insult. But what I'm trying to say to you, everyone, is that when it comes to eBay scams, watch out. Every week, if you're selling 1,000 items a week or 100 items a week, odds are it's going to be 0.01% of that, or 1%, sorry, of that is going to be a scam. Keep an eye out. The most, and this is in my experience, the best scammers are the ones that are polite to you. They'll say, oh, I'm terribly sorry this has happened, but I feel that this is not working. And you will assume that they're good-willed and good-natured. That's all a ploy. You have to remember that. All the ones that have scammed me, and I've got a wall of shame. I'm going to put this customer on the wall of shame. I did it back before I had a good YouTube channel, and I'm going to start this today. I can't remember the customer's name, but I will have him on the wall of shame. That's it. So the loss, cost and expenses and fees and processing costs and postage costs and return costs were out about 150 quid. There it is. That's all I got to say. You didn't have to say anything, unless you want to say anything.
We're coming for you, no matter where you are. We will find you and we will get our money back.